Hey YouTubers, welcome back to another Tesla vlog with me, Adam Well-Informed. For those that follow me on Instagram, you will have seen I've purchased some new car cleaning products which I've been dying to try out inside and out of my Tesla Model 3. But with 90% of the UK weather being consistently poor, even in May, I saw a perfect opportunity when I woke up with blue skies, which enabled me to finally get down to cleaning both the exterior and interior of the car. This video is focused purely on the interior and how I can use just 2 cleaning products to transform the entire interior, including the precious vegan leather. So this video may eventually save you a buck or two down the line. A follow-up video will be available next week and I'll cover how easy it is to get your Tesla gleaming clean. As you can see from my footage, the whole car is filthy on the outside and in. I think it's fair to say that the interior dirt build-up over the course of a few months simulates the reality of owning a family car with young kids. Sticky finger marks, crumbs, rubbish on the floor. I'm literally trying to be true and representable to any future family car owner here. Hopefully I'm not alone when I say this is built up over a few months. Please don't misjudge me, the car will be transformed by just 2 products. Even the dashboard has been restored to its old darkened self. No more sticky fingerprints on the door panels. This is all with just 2 products. I even brought along my local apprentice. He was fine until he got behind the wheel with his sticky fingers on the screen, and then he decided to pop the trunk for some reason, and for that I just had to let him go. So if you didn't know that I do this, I actually break the video into sections so you can easily go back, switch to watch the section you want to watch the most. This is going to be super useful for multiple viewing of the video, in particular if you're focusing on just one part. So let's get into it. So for the carpets and the mat work, this will differ depending on whether you have carpeted mats or rubberized mats. Focusing on my carpeted mats, you can either hoover the excess straight away or remove the mat directly from the car and shake the excess off. Personally, I prefer to remove the mat straight out to prevent any stains etc. from ruining my hoover. I then hoover the edges of the footwell afterwards. The backseat mat is even easier as it's just one unified mat that I can just remove the whole thing and hoover direct onto it to get a straightforward clean. Being careful though not to pick up any excess debris in the process. Moving on to the products which I've also linked in the description. Cloth wise, I have 2 identical 16x16 320 GSM microfiber towels. I think these are good size. I can actually fold it twice and use 2 sides for spraying on and the remaining 2 sides for drying. The next item that I have is a Valley Pro interior detailing brush. This will help me with any buried dirt locked into tight spaces such as the badge on the wheel, and it's just a great universal exterior cleaning tool to be honest. So the secret 2 cleaning products. So the first of the 2 cleaning products to help lock in this look will be the 303 Aerospace Protectant Ultimate UV Spray. Cool fact about this product was its initial purpose was always intended for spacecraft and aviation application due to their closer proximity and exposure to the sun. It even has SPF factors to prevent fading and cracking of fabric, vinyl, plastic, rubber and more. I'll explain its Tesla related purpose later in the video. Final cleaning product that you'll need is called Express Interior Cleaner by P&S. This stuff literally smells incredible. I can't quite put my finger on the exact smell, but for me it smells very bubblegum like. Starting with the dashboard, here you can see firsthand how just one product application leaves both the dashboard and wooden effect trim in a truly restored state. The top of the dashboard is darkened again. The wooden effect is way more vibrant after just one application. I spray a couple more times on a one-sided microfiber towel, and with the 303 spray, all I did here was spray a couple of times on one side of the microfiber towel with the 303 spray, and then afterwards I wiped off any residue with the dry side of the cloth. Just a quick reminder, please remember to support my channel by hitting the like, subscribe button, notification bell. Just a quick gesture, really helps me out if you enjoy this Tesla content. Moving on to the doors. Now doors can collect a lot of grease, sticky fingers just because you're constantly touching it with entry and exit, especially the kids' doors. This particular door has multiple sticky marks on it, but not for long, as we'll bust out the Express Interior Cleaner. We'll start by simply saturating the brush head with a few squirts of the cleaner, and then agitating the fibres of the fake leather by using the brush. This product is particularly good because it leaves a virtually residue-free look, but we'll wipe it down with one of the microfiber towels just to give it a smooth matte finish. You can even dilute this product on a one-to-one basis if you really want to stretch its usage out. I covered the whole door with the cleaner apart from the speaker. As you can see, the sticky fingerprints are no more. This product isn't even greasy, it's just a smooth fat finish, which is what I like. The Express interior cleaner has a long list of suitable materials, which reassured me that I'm not going to ruin my car by using the wrong products on sensitive materials. I do the same procedure steps by spraying onto the brush, agitating and wiping away. Just like Jeeb said in his Model Y cleaning video not too long ago, cleaning your door trims and sills is like not wiping your ass. It's a very creative metaphor, but one that will stick in my mind rent-free for a long time. Thanks, Jeeps. Next up we have the center console. Now I actually revert back to the 303 spray here on this one just because I want that extra UV protection, but more importantly it should actually repel water and stains, which makes it a perfect choice in my eyes here. In the cup holders, I just revert to the other cleaner just to make use of the brush, as it can be hard to clean without it. The steering wheel is definitely the most obvious and yuckiest part of the interior. Literally shreds of body oils and sweaty palm. It's literally like a magnet for that kind of stuff. But fear not, we now have our universal cleaner and brush, and it just allows me to get into all the joints and around that Tesla badge. Then we'll just buff it off with the microfiber cloth again just to shine it up. The seats, now this is the one I was most nervous about, so I had to do more research in this than others. And the reason I did that was because it's not just a standard leather seat, it's a vegan leather. Some refer the material as a vinyl-like material. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I just knew I wasn't going to put a leather solution on it because it's just not the same material as leather. So I went with the Versatile Express interior cleaner, as I was reassured it could be used on virtually all interior materials, which is a bit of a mouthful to say now. Again, utilising the same method throughout the clean, this results in a nice crisp matte finish. It isn't a heavy gloss finish at all. Even switching seats here, you can see I cleaned just half the car seat here for illustration purposes. If you pay attention to the lighting, you can actually see how much darker and more vibrant the seats are, even after a simple application. An overlooked spot is probably the headrests. Now, the reason why I've said that is because I've read online that a build-up of hair products can actually cause a reaction with the vegan leather, so I'm hoping this will help with any build-up with that. Now, I appreciate you've probably seen quite a lot of cleaning right now, so before I touch on the back seats, I thought I'd introduce you to a sneaky preview of the final outcome, for which I'm already so pleased about. Front and back, the seats are restored to a new, crisp, matte state. A fresh, clean interior has been restored with very little work required. Finally, the back seats are very similar to what you've already seen. So to speed this up, I've highlighted a couple of key areas the kids like to place their sticky handprints on. The hotspots being the side of the seats, the armrests, again all cleaned with the Express interior cleaner and brush. I haven't removed the seats as the seat protectors should be protecting the actual seat, so I've skipped removing the car seats on this occasion. Conclusion to the moment you've all been waiting for, so let me hit you with a small montage so you can see the transformation for yourself. There you have it. You don't need to invest a whole load of cash on loads of different interior cleaning products with your Model 3 or Model Y. You just need these two products, and it truly does wonders once applied correctly. It even has some protection layers too. Having a universal and effective product in the Express interior cleaner was truly a great choice, as it saved me loads of money in theory by not having to purchase multiple different products to achieve more or less the same look. The 303 Aerospace Protector Spray probably has the bigger noticeable effect though. This product itself has a good number of suitable materials it can be used, and I was well impressed what it did to the dashboard. This will give a more darkened look than the Express Interior Clean if you used it on, say, the doors for example. noting I haven't actually tried this on any other material. So this is just part 1 of my new cleaning items haul. Part 2 will be available next week and will cover how easy it is to get your Tesla Model 3 gleaming clean. If you are interested in any of these products, I have dropped a link in the description and on my kit list if you're interested in them. That's it. Now you've been informed on my easy and effective interior clean of my Tesla Model 3. Which transformation did you like the most? Don't forget to support my channel by hitting the like, subscribe, share the video with your friends and family. I really enjoy doing these Tesla vlogs and the support is hugely welcomed by me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.